Hi everyone, the Simple Dad here. In this video, I'll show you how to get this slide lock screen animation on your Samsung Galaxy device. So Samsung lets you customize how your lock screen unlocks. So instead of the usual fade in and fade out or the pop effect, you can choose a slide animation like this, where your lock screen smoothly transitions away, almost like a curtain being pulled. So it adds an elegant and a fluid touch every time you wake up your phone. So let me show you how to do this. So here we'll go ahead and first open up the GoodLock app. Now in the GoodLock app, you're going to go ahead and scroll down and find the Wonderland module. Now tap on create your different lock screen effect. And here we'll tap on the plus sign and create a new one. We'll go ahead and add a picture. So we'll go ahead and choose this. Now we're going to go ahead and choose close and then go ahead and tap on effect type. From here, we'll go ahead and find the slide effect, which looks like that. So we'll tap close. Now we'll go ahead and tap on effect settings and we'll go ahead and set all this. So the speed, the type, movement, and direction. Go ahead and choose whatever you like. Go ahead and try it out. So this is from the bottom. Now once you're happy with this, you can go ahead and tap on save here at the top right. Save it again. And then it'll ask you if you want to set it as a wallpaper. So yes, tap on lock screen and home screen. And now the slide effect has been applied to your lock screen. So this gives you a premium feel. So the wake up experience looks smoother as if the phone is showing off its advanced screen and animation capabilities. You can customize it so your phone reflects your style and not just the default factory settings. So there you go guys, that is how to get the slide lock screen animation on your Samsung Galaxy device.
If you're new on the channel and you want to find out more about your iPhone, your Android phone, or any other social media apps, then don't forget to subscribe to this channel to become a part of the Simple Dad community. Hit the like button if you find this video useful.